Hi there, students. Dismember, a verb. Dismemberment, a noun. Okay, to dismember, the real meaning of this is to tear or pull the arms and legs off the body of a dead person or a dead animal. Okay, so the police found a dismembered body in the freezer of the house. Okay, a dismembered body. The arms and legs had been cut off. The wolves attacked the deer and dismembered it in minutes. Okay, they pulled all the bits off it. That's pretty violent and for a very specific situation. But you can also use this verb to dismember, or the noun dismemberment, to mean to divide a piece of land or a country or an empire into different parts. So yes, the after the fall of the emperor, the empire was dismembered. It was taken apart. It was separated into different pieces. Okay, so to cut and divide something into pieces. Maybe the American Civil War nearly dismembered the Union, yeah? It nearly caused the dismemberment of the Union. So you can use this more generally to divide into pieces, but particularly to partition something as an empire. So I guess the partition of India was the dismemberment of the greater Indian nation. Okay, so to dismember, to divide into parts, to cut into pieces. I think particularly to dismember, to cut the arms and legs off. Yeah. So yeah, the killer dismembered the body and hid the parts of the body in different places. Okay. Yes, after World War One, the Ottoman Empire was dismembered. It was cut up and given to different countries. Okay, so to dismember something, to break it into pieces, to break it up. Okay, you could also use this. Maybe, for example, there was an old wooden shack on the piece of land, and they quickly dismembered it using tools and burnt the remains. Okay, so to dismember, you could dismember an organization as well. For example, Standard Oil, the basis of the Rockefeller Empire, was dismembered into various different companies, like Exxon, for example. I think Hitler had plans to dismember Czechoslovakia, yeah? Or maybe Poland as well. Yeah, they dismembered it, and the Russians had part of it, and the Germans had another part of it. Um, okay, when a company gets is declared as a monopoly, then it will be dismembered and separated into other smaller portions. Yeah, so effectively to reduce and reorganize and to discontinue parts of it. So this government department was dismembered, and the responsibilities were given to other different government departments. Okay, the multinational company bought the business. They took over the business and then dismembered it. They sold some bits of it. They kept some bits of it. They separated it. Yeah, they broke it up into different parts. Um, Okay, yeah, the some people think that British prestige declined as the British Empire was dismembered. I think good thing too. Empires are not a good thing. Okay, so to dismember, yeah, particularly a dismembered body, the dismemberment of the body. So to dismember, this is a formal word. I think maybe the technical thing of rip off the arms and legs. It is what it is, but it's still, I would give that a 6, and I think a 6 in formality. And I think to dismember an organisation, to dismember a country, 6.5. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation, informally, to split up, to break up. Um, Use it in a semi-formal conversation, just about better for a semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, it comes from the French dismembrer, meaning to dismember, and that comes from the Latin word membrum, meaning a limb of the body, a member, literally. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Dismember.